Asad's father is 25 years older than Asad and 23 years younger than Asad's grandfather. If the sum of their ages is 133 years, find their present ages. Solution is let Asad's age equal to x. Father's age will be x plus 25 and grandfather's age will be x plus 25 plus 23. So, according to the relationship by the question, x plus x plus 25 plus x plus 25 plus 23 will be equal to 133 years. This is the age of Asad, this is father's age, and this is grandfather's age. Now we'll solve this equation, which is x plus x, it is 3x plus 25 plus 25 plus 23 is equal to 133 years. Which is 3x plus 73 equal to 133 years. It is 3x equal to 133 minus 73, which is equal to 60. 3x is equal to 60. X equal to 60 over 3, that is 20. So Asad's age will be 20 years. Father's age will be 20 plus 25, that is 45 years. And grandfather's age will be 20 plus 25 plus 23, that is 68 years. So these are the percentages of the three. This is our answer. 20 years, 45 years and 68 years.